Great everyone, Les here, Chief Analyst of BG Trading Australia, and I hope you are well. Today is October 16th, 2024, and we're going to be analyzing or overviewing Tyro Payments, which is the stock that we taken the stop loss yesterday as a result of Albanese government potentially banning merchant fees for a debit card, or provided that most of the revenue for Tyro comes from merchant fees, so that could directly impact future earnings. And then unfortunately this unforeseen event has jeopardized our trade, and the stock has fallen into our stop loss. That's a pity, sorry, but that's nothing we can do when external facts is affecting our position negatively. It could affect, could be beneficial as well if it was the other way around. So we play by the rules, and when we have a stop loss, we just take stop loss. The question now is whether should we be looking at buying again, because Tyro fundamentals are relatively strong. So we're gonna answer in this video. Also, we're gonna be looking at Evolution Mining, EVN, a gold and copper producer, which if you have been following us, you know that we have been holding Evolution. Now our VIP members and ourselves had the opportunity to lock in 47% profit as Evolution Mining, EVN, has reached our long-term target. The question is, should we be still holding Evolution Mining because gold prices continue to skyrocket, or we just lock in profit? Are we going to follow the strategy, or are we going to not follow the strategies this time? I'm going to share this with you regarding our position in Evolution Mining as well. Then the next stock will be Droneshield, which is also a stock that we have been trading. DRO, sharing our position on Droneshield, which is another stock that was going pretty well, and then one of the popular brokers, Bell Potter Security, has sort of downgraded the stock recently from buy to hold, and therefore triggering a sell-off and potentially short trading activity as well. And the last stock is Novonix. I know a lot of people have been asking us to talk about Novonix, but because we have taken a position together with our VIP members with Novonix, we didn't want to obviously spoil some of our entries. But I think Novonix now, as it is sort of taking a correction, it could be a potential opportunity to buy. I want to explore that into the chart formation. So let's have a look. Remember guys, this is not a financial advice, it's just from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply BGS20 strategy together with our VP members to chase 20 to 40% profit or more within the 1 to 3 month time. So we normally set BGS20 targets with the following this threshold, and then sometimes, like we did this ZIP many times, Evolution Mining, TYR Limited, we also set long-term targets when we think there is opportunity to extend our gains. And then obviously we draft our strategy in a way that we not only chasing a higher target with the higher risk, but also we mitigate the risk of potential losing the profit by locking part of our profit at the BGS20 targets. And much more, all in this channel. So if you like, please subscribe and hit the like button, because that will help us to reach more people, and share this video with someone that you believe would be interested. Okay, so if you want to know more about BG Trading VIP membership program, just go on our website bgtrading.com.au, and you can look into what exactly we can do for you in terms of education for stock trading. Now let's start with the first stock, Tyro. Unfortunately, what happened yesterday was a pity. That there was many headlines regarding the fact that Albanese government plan to ban pay fees for debit card purchases, then could directly affect Tyro earnings for FY 20 6. And provided that the whole market is freaking out, we might have a change of sentiments towards this particular stock. We already had, but it could continues to be negatively affected over the short term. And unless we see a significant reversal candle, which I haven't seen it yet, I'd rather be out of this stock. And I'm not saying this is not going to recover. Was looking really good until yesterday, because I was looking at this higher low here. But then we had this huge red candle with extremely high volume, which doesn't show me any confidence from the technical aspect. So we rather have cut this stock and then move forwards to another stock. So at this stage, we're not gonna touch in Tyro, even though it could arguably bounce on this hypothetical support level at 80 cents. So the next one that we're going to be looking at is Evolution Mining. So let's take a look here. Evolution Mining is a stock that we have also been trading together with our VIP members. Our entry in June, EVN, has reached, actually surpassed now our target number 1. So this is the BG. This was pretty much the entry that we did, and then target BGS 20 target 420, then target 1 at 495. Now, the chart formation. So we don't have any target beyond this point, right? But as I said to our VP members today, I'm going to keep holding this stock. And the reason is because if you look in the commodity price, gold prices continue to hit all-time high. As you can see here, gold prices, 2,667 at the moment, at pretty much at all-time high. So now, why would I sell a stock that directly benefits from high gold prices? It has strong fundamentals and continues to make higher highs there. So it's not like a stock that we have bought and we speculating into reaching a target, but the fundamentals doesn't sort of match. In this case, the fundamental is improving, and the first half of FY25, I'm expecting a very strong result out of these higher gold prices. So I would be very comfortable to keep holding this particular stock. Now, if you're going to be looking at the target, we're gonna be changing to a weekly chart, okay? And as we can see in the past, Evolution Mining has effectively created this strong resistance level around $6.50. Actually, around $6, I would say. So it's sensible to say that it's very likely that we will see EVN reaching $6. So would I be buying now? I wouldn't be buying now, but because we are holding a significant amount of stock EVN, we're going to keep holding. I'm very comfortable, and will probably set my target just under $6. The next target, sort of speaking. So very comfortable with Evolution Mining. We could see a higher low, but there is a new support level right here, which is around $4, and this is going to play a very strong support level. So I'm going to hold for now. No dramas, nothing wrong with holding Evolution Mining as per the current chart formation, strong momentum and strong volumes as well to the upside. The next one is ZIP. Now, ZIP is it's a stock that has reached our long-term target recently. So we sold, we're not holding ZIP now. Okay, we sold at $3.99. That was a target that, sorry, $2.99. There's a target $2.99 that we sold. And whether we're gonna be buying back, well, it looks like the momentum, the stock, ZIP is losing momentum, and this is a red candle on a Heiken Arch. So we look, unless we see a strong spike, we could see another strong spike to the upside. But to buy a ZIP again, I would love to be looking at buying around this sort of level here, $2.50. Not sure if it's gonna go to the $1.50, but I'm not comfortable buying ZIP again at the current level. Okay, so that's why we're trading another buy now pay later, which is not only buy now pay later, but we're trading Square. The one was holding Square, as if you looking at my past video. Look at my past video. We spoke about Square breaking out, potential breaking out of $100 per share. Much more better value than ZIP, so we decide to hold Square and get rid of ZIP at 65% profit in our last trade. So at the moment, we're not going to be buying ZIP again. So Droneshield, recently downgraded by Bellport Security, which is a broker, and the problem with this now, we are holding this. Okay, so it's almost reached our BGS 20 targets, and by the day it was going to reach our BGS 20 target, they came and downgraded the stock. One of those things again. So bit of a manipulation from broker side. The downgrade wasn't too bad. It was from buy to hold. I don't know what's going on here, trying to fix this. The downgrade was from buy to hold. At the moment, there is a strong support level around $1. I would be expecting to see a strong bounce here. And if that happens, then we would have what we call a double bottom formation. And if you've been following us here in the channel, you know that we like double bottom formation. We made really good trades out of double bottom formation. Whether that's going to hold on the $1, we are yet to see. But if you're trading, so we'll be very careful, because Droneshield is a stock that is fundamentally overvalued. Although it continues to bring new contracts, there was a very recent announcement of a $13.5 million contract for US government, and that brought some confidence to the stock. But what have spooked the market was the fact that Bell Porters has downgraded the stock to hold, which is still not too bad. Again, jeopardizing our trading, unfortunately. Stop loss would be setting under $1, and I would still chase the trading within this channel, which is currently between $1 and $1.50. $1 to $1.50. That's the trading channel. Pretty much trading at the bottom of this channel. So I really wanted to see a green candle in the next few days. Let's see if that happens. If that happens, then I will be confident that we might have a double bottom formation, and that could trigger a major rally. Yes, could trigger a major rally. Just be aware about a potential double bottom formation at $1 for a major rally. If that happens, we might even increase our position. Otherwise, there is a stop loss sitting under $1. And then we're going to make a decision based on the volume, and then whether there will be a bounce or not. This is just a stock to be careful at the moment. Novonix. Novonix is a battery technology company, and has a offtake agreement with Panasonic, which is the main agreement. There's other offtake agreements as well, but we specifically Panasonic, which is a major supplier of battery cells to Tesla. The key risk for Novonix, I think, is whether Tesla somehow walk away from Panasonic all of a sudden. And then, but the key thing is with Novonix, the stock itself. There is a double bottom formation here, which I like. Okay, so there's also a bullish intersection level 1 and level 2 here, which has triggered this 30, almost 40% rallied here. And there's natural correction here, but I would be expecting Novonix to test $1.20 resistance level in the next few weeks. Okay, so the only thing we're going to be looking at now is a short-term bounce, maybe testing these 75, between 70 to 80 cents resistance level. So 75 potentially could go to 75 and bounce back and test $1.20. For me, I'm very positive about Novonix. Obviously, we have a stop loss. This is not a stock for conservative traders. This is a very highly speculative stock. It moved by hype, and it is a company that is set to start producing soon, but the margins are very low still. Okay, the operating margins when they start producing will be very low. So a speculative stock moves like App and moves like companies like a Droneshield. Even Droneshield has better margins now and is well cashed up. So we just gotta be careful, but it is a stock that's worth trading. And I think if now it is a holding position, but if it goes down around 70 cents, I think it is definitely a level to try buying back or buying more and adding to the position and chase potentially $1.20 target, which will be easy 80% profit into this particular position. So a stock to watch. All those EV stocks are currently most likely doing a higher low movement, so a correction, as they have rallied across the board quite substantially. So just take the next higher low and use as opportunity to enter with the stop loss, obviously, and chase the next resistance, which hasn't broken on 90 cents, but it could break on the next higher low and then reach $1.20, which would be our ultimate target for now on Novonix. Okay, so outlook for Novonix is positive, just trading a little bit high now. So I would wait to buy within the next few days or few weeks if falls at the 70 cents. Full disclosure, we are holding Novonix at the moment, together with some of our VP members, okay? Remember, this is not a financial advice. If you're gonna buy Novonix or any other stocks that we've been discussing, just make sure you understand the fundamentals. Go on the ASX, type the code of the stock, take a look whether these are companies that generate any revenue, or they are cash burning, they are a net loss, the net profitable. I'm not going to be talking about that in this particular video. This is really purely our thoughts based on the chart formation. So make your own study. Remember, Novonix is a hyped stock. Okay, could go up now as we are seeing a bounce on EV stocks and material stocks. It could. But you gotta be very careful when you trade in this type of stock, okay? That brings this video to the end. Let us know what you think, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.